Mercedes-Benz Concept IAA. Imagine a futuristic four-door coupe that's not just a beauty, but a marvel of engineering too. This car can actually change its shape to slice through the air with maximum efficiency. And here's the best part. It's a plug-in hybrid, so you get both thrilling performance and eco-friendly creds. Inside, it's loaded with the latest connectivity and control features, keeping you seamlessly connected on the road. Unveiled back in 2015, this masterpiece comes with a price tag around $100,000, showcasing its perfect blend of cutting-edge design and advanced technology. It's not just a car, it's a statement about the future of driving.